Wow, so beautiful. Look at this, so peaceful. It's 60 degrees, a little rain. February 1st. And this is rope drop right here to show you how small the crowd is right now. All right, we're currently going to Frozen. They just opened the gates to Epcot. It is 8:50. I'm glad they opened it up because it's raining right now. So 8:50. We're gonna see how long it takes us to get onto Frozen. So let's see. New Starbucks over here. All right, the rope drop dash is officially on. Only about 20 people in front of us, so we are stoked. And there it is. Spaceship Earth, amazing. Rope drop once again. Beautiful Mexico. My favorite pavilion in all of World Showcase. But here's the good part. Look at this. There's no one in front of us for Frozen. I don't think they've actually let the front gate people in yet. Just the international gateway people. So we are stoked and gonna get on this ride before anybody. We may be able to ride Frozen twice. And it looks to be a walk-on for Frozen, so. This is the dream. The dream. Frozen walk-on. Hello, how you doing? Good morning, how you doing? And they're showing a 10-minute wait. So let's see. Good morning, how you doing? What's up? Alright, it's currently 8:58. No wait for Frozen. We're getting on before 9 a.m. And here's our boat. Alright, so it's 9:03. We just finished doing Frozen. Already got probably about a 25-30 minute line. So walk on. We have a fast pass now for Spaceship Earth. And Soarin', today test track is currently closed for refurb. So we're gonna try and get 4 attractions done by like 10:30. Frozen, Spaceship Earth, Soarin', and Awesome Planet. And we're going back to the beach club. So we're stoked. Glad to see that this guy's still here. So beautiful here in Norway. At the Wandering Reindeer. And something that I love so much is the grass on top of these roofs here. The detail is just mind-blowing. These beautiful gardens down here. That's so gorgeous. Notice these little guys up here. Well, it's February 1st, about 60 degrees out, misty rain, cool. And what's so cool about this day is the crowd level is so low. Really, really amazing here. I mean, to be in an empty World Showcase. I mean, I'm the biggest Disney fan there is, but I gotta say, Epcot is always my favorite park. Look at this, just the beauty is just mind-blowing. Look at America over here. Germany. Oh, there's a car going through Germany. I don't think I've ever seen a car go through Germany. So weird. There's beautiful England over here. Mexico.
Like the stars in an endless universe, each of us is unique. Each of us shines bright, filled with ideas, hopes, dreams. These are the sparks that make us who we are. When we share these sparks with each other, it can be magical. Welcome to a place that celebrates the magic of possibility and always has, right from the very beginning.
In fact, the heart of everything we'll be doing in Disney World will be our experimental prototype city of tomorrow.
Wow.
We call it Epcot.
All right, so here's the current test track situation being closed today. How you doing? They're under refurb here. So look at the scaffolding here. They're working on some of the track here outside of the test track pavilion. Pretty cool. I mean, I'm super bummed that it's not open, but I know test track always kind of breaks down, so they got to do constant refurb on it. And there's the new Space 220 restaurant over here. So sick. Hello, how you doing? See ya. And we're going to the new Mouse Gear. Oh, they got a new sign up here with Spaceship Earth. Mission Space over here. Look at these guys, look like straight Mission Space astronauts over here. Yeah, Guardians and the Play Pavilion. The new Mouse Gear, got a new sign up. Oh, awesome. Thanks, Tim. Have a great day. All right. All right, so we got the new Festival of the Arts Pass. Whoa. Look at these sweet coffee cups with the tops. And we're back in Mouse Gear. We are really excited to be here, no doubt. All right, here's the new walls they put up. They got some Wreck-It Ralph and the Guardians. There's Groot. And this is a new area they just recently opened, which used to be the exit to Universe of Energy. And we got Zootopia characters here. Here we go. Look at that. Now this is a view I have not seen in a long time. Right here. Now, the mission at 9:20 is Spaceship Earth. After a couple of stops, we got our magnets. We used the restroom and just kind of took our time. We're on it. Oh, we're back. And I know there's so many rumors we're taking this ride and gonna do a big refurb, but I can never get enough of this mural here with the cavemen and the astronauts and the laser eyes.
A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You leave your country home with an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere.
9:54, we're just getting off of Spaceship Earth. They had a lot of glitches in it. We got stopped at quite a bit, but it was pretty cool. Make sure we got everything here. Yeah. All right, so now off the Soarin', where we have a fast pass. This is a site I've never seen here. All of this part of the old Communicore or Interventions is gone. And you can see Journey into Imagination. Pretty weird to see. And that's Canada in the distance there. And this part of the old Communicore is still here. right, 9:59. We're going on to Soarin'. Got a fast pass, so getting a lot done.
Road jog.
All right, so it's 10:17. We've completed Frozen, Spaceship Earth, and Soarin'. Even though we had a fast pass for Soarin', it's only a 20-minute wait. Super slow today, February 1st on a Saturday, Super Bowl weekend. Crowds are so light. It's probably a 1 or a 2 on the touring plans calendar. Yes, I have a Soarin' bag. Pretty awesome. What's up, buddy?